So compared to what you've seen not yesterday, 2 days ago, I've cleaned up a bit of stuff. So my buttons are still blinking. So this is something I will have to do. I'm not sure to stream this part because, to be honest, it's a lot of research on the interweb, because I'm really not. I'm a noob, as you know, and it's above my my skill. So I really need to look for on Google or Stack Overflow and everything. It's a long process. I'm not sure it's really interesting to stream this part. So I'll see. I don't know because it's anyway. So what we did last time was to create these two buttons to set up the timers. We still have our navigation view here, and now the time picker, sorry, is opening under the buttons. You can close it. And what I did also is to have something when you're switching from a button to another one, it's closing the other time picker, sorry, to not have any confusion. So you cannot. Maybe I'm thinking about something to indicate here which one is open, because it's invisible. If you don't remember which one you picked up, you don't know. It's not visible. So I will probably do something like this, probably today. The tricky part that I have not solved yet is, so for example, I'm picking up 30 minutes here, closing this, and it's still written 15 minutes here. I need to refresh the view manually to update the content of the button. I looked for it like the whole afternoon to find a way to force the app storage refresh. Even computing the value of it doesn't change anything. I even tried to use an observed object with a function doing will send update, or I forgot the name of it, but it didn't work. So I'm going to keep it. It's part also of stuff that I'm going to do on the side out of streaming, because it's long research. So hopefully next stream this will be solved, but for now it is like this, and I'm a bit annoyed, to be honest. Yeah, I need to do this. The funny part is if I'm closing this and we run the app, so it's 15, look at this. I'm choosing 20, closing, and it's updated. If I'm doing it another time, 30, it's not updated. I have no clue what's going on. It's really annoying. I have no clue what's going on with that. But anyway, the content is still dynamic, so I'm choosing. I've solved also the list. I don't know if you remember, but the minutes were wrong. Above 60 minutes, I think. I don't remember exactly. Anyway, the minutes were wrong, so I updated the way to calculate the minutes from the seconds, and it's working. And it's working now. It's working here. So if I'm the really ugly thing for this one, the 120. So if I'm closing now, and I need to reduce the size of of the typo. So I need to find out this. For now it's working like this, but it also means that if I'm choosing this, yeah, it's not a line anymore. So that's something I will have to fix later on, and that's it. Well, for now it's like this. Make me think I didn't check this with the dark mode. Oh, it's okay. There is some colors difference, but changing the colors inside the picker date, it's probably not as easy as it looks. So I'm not going to do this. That's it. So today the tasks, are. So I've updated a bit this focus for Feb. So fix seconds and minutes, I did it. So what I want to do today, it's to create subviews. Time picker as overlay, it's done. Sorry, up. This is done. And I think I'm going to, what I'm going to do, sorry, before to forget, it's to timer setting, selection, indicator. Here we go. And if we can animate it a bit, the sky view, I don't know, could be nice. I will stream for 2 hours, I think, today. So let's see what we can achieve in these 2 hours. Creating the subviews are kind of easy. So let me share the code with you. So let's stop this. I'm going to remove preview. And I would like why SwiftUI is not able again to it's this one? Yeah. Well, I guess I won't have more code coloring. No. Anyway, so I changed I also updated Xcode for the second version, the second beta of 12.5. We'll see also. I didn't check the log, so here we go. So what we have here, so when you're tapping on the button, so the button is, let me run the app again, show you exactly what I did. Here we go. So when you're tapping this, it's toggling two things. This one, so it's opening the picker one. But if the second one is opened, it's closing it. Same thing for the second button. And what I did, insert this edge stack, so the edge stack is please go ahead. It's taking a lot of time. Sorry. Up. Okay. Why? Ah, yes, of course. So, sorry, I'm going to open also this one in this view, then go back here. Yeah. So, what I did, it's inside this edge stack. So this edge stack is inside the V stack. Sorry. So this one, instead of having like initially the dead picker here, time picker, sorry, not dead picker, I put them under it. So it means that when they are displayed, it's pushing everything on the under the tab button above here. And I've added something else, is that this is only displayed when this is closed. It's something that I wanted to do also, to not have like less noise as possible when the user is doing something. Okay. That's it, I guess. So what I did also here, if you're seeing, this has changed a bit, so I reorganized a bit this folder of views. So I have now the settings view, all of them are inside the settings, and my sub view for every section here, sections, health sync, Siri shortcuts, alternate app icon, everything will be a sub view here. What I'm going to do today, first to start with, is to do this sub view and update. Not this one, but update this navigation link destinations, because right now it's empty view. Okay, so that's it for now. What I am going to do. Sorry. So we have health kit to create. So health kit will be here. I'm going to create a view here called settings health view. That's it. I don't have anything. No. Settings health view. Yeah. Here we go. So what I'm going to do is to create already this and to have a title. Can I do this? I'm going to check this health kit. But I would like to have a big title here, so can I do navigation title? It's true. No, sorry. So this one is the view for health kit. And it's this one. Yeah, here we go. I'm experimenting with you because I have no clue. Yeah, it's working. Okay, good. That's exactly what I wanted, but I also need a color here. What did I do for the settings view and the colors? Well, I'm going to do exactly the same. Let's give it a bit of space for better readability. What if I'm doing this? I guess it cannot work because it's going to create... Ah no, it's working. Yeah, but exact... No, it's not working. It's not working because everything should be... Wait a bit, because I don't understand this. Ah no, it's working like this, okay. So if I'm adding this, here, is it working? No, because it has to be in a Z stack. Z stack and this in a V stack. Let's create this immediately, and I'm going to create body. Right? I'm taking a bit of time to finalize this view because I'm going just to replicate this everywhere. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So, you know what? I'm going to copy this because it's going to be the same for all of them. Siri shortcut. And our settings. Siri, sorry, not in French. You. And I'm going to replace this by this. And here it will be written Siri shortcuts. Shortcut. I don't know. Siri shortcut, I guess. I don't remember. I don't know actually. I have not checked. So we have health sync here and Siri shortcut. Jeremy. This I don't need it. See review. And now it should trigger the right one. Yes, it is. Okay, let's replicate this everywhere. So the next one is custom app icon. settings. Aber icon view. Here we go. Send this one. Tap icon view. All right. After we have about. About view. Nice. Settings. About view. After we have privacy. Settings. Privacy view. There we go. And then and close them all actually. You know what I'm thinking about? I didn't change the title of any of them. Okay, let's do this. So this one will be privacy about alternate app icon. And series okay. And EarthKit is okay. Health sync. Not EarthKit. Let's build that up. See if it's working. So do we have all view? Yes, we have. But this title is wrong, right? Jeremy, you didn't see this? It's going to be funny to change this. I have no clue if we can edit. We'll maybe Swift UI navigation title font. This doesn't work, right? Okay. Oh no. I hope it's not the way to do it. How to style the font in a UI navigation bar title. Yeah, it looks like it is the way to do it. It's going to be annoying. Do we have something less old? Working with the new version of Swift UI will be nice. Custom navigation bar title view in Swift UI. I don't want a toolbar. I want something looking more closely to the. Okay, I'm going to reduce a bit the sound of the music volume. It's too loud for me. Talking above it is too much effort. So change navigation tag style. Blah blah blah. if is with large font. Let's try. Init. Where should I put the init before the body? So this is a series 1. Right, it's working. Okay. Can I do? Can I do? The font. Where did I put the font? This one. I'm not sure this is possible, but let's give it a try. No. That's annoying because I have no clue. Cannot interfere. Contextual base in reference to. Oh, fuck. Dictionary literal instead of. No, sorry. Okay, I'm not going to do this for now. Really not. So what I'm going to do is to manually put a title. So here I'm going to create all. Except that I don't want this. This is really annoying because how can I set up the size of it? Why I cannot title? It's working here. No, it's not. It's annoying. I need to find a way because it's Swift UI text font title. Dynamic tag with a custom font. Yeah, but it's not a custom, it's a system one. I want the system one. Font. Nah, this is not what I want to achieve. I want to keep the size of the native font, but just change the serif stuff. So what if I'm doing it with this little guy? So it's large title, definitely. White and I want it to be serif. Weight, font, text case. Because if I'm just doing font, where is the font? Yeah, it's not changing anything. I don't want this. Let me resume the review. I don't need this view actually, but just this one. Right, exactly. So I have exactly this, okay? And what if I'm doing system without the size? Is it working? No, it doesn't. Fucking god. Ah, what if I'm doing this and then I'm putting a large title under it? Is it overwriting everything? No, it's not. It's even not working. Oh, what's happening in the chat? The Nightbot is on fire. Okay, so this is not working because of the CG float that I have to have here. Can I return? Maybe I can. It's about over. Should put serif maybe. Oui. Maybe this one. You remember what I... is with large font. Let's give it a try. Navigation title. Sure it's working with the navigation title. Yeah, it's not working because it's not part of... Should I put it here? Not changing anything because it's not inside the navigation view. Okay, so the guy did it wrong because he used... No, this one. Thank you. So I need to replace... Okay. I need to replace this. Whoa, 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 whoa. If let... no, en fait, I just need to write this, right? Yes. Okay. Let's build. And this is for series shortcuts. Not working at all. What am I missing? So my init is good, my appearance should be the right one. It's a large title. Maybe I should. Navigation title. It's display mode, right? Dot large. Okay. It's not working. Alors, what is wrong? I think I have it. So it's if let, yeah, okay. Then you're writing this. The size is 0, seriously? Okay, so that's not working. Okay, fuck it. Fuck it. Alors, if I'm doing this, what's happening? And if I'm doing it before, interesting. Interesting. Can I overwrite this if I'm saying on Xcode? Okay. Thank you. If I'm doing this as a block, font white black, fuck. And there is a font style. Font design. No. That's so fucking annoying. Why I cannot do this? Let me check if there is anything in there. What do we have? Sorry. Oh. Alignment, background, blur, body. No, that's not what I want. Bon. There's probably no options there. No. If I'm removing this, is it working? Yes, it's working. Bon, tant pis. Like we said in French, it's 42, I think, the large title size. Forgot the default. It's dynamic type. Dynamic type. Serif. Yeah, but that's the one I've seen, and it's not at all what I want to achieve here. Ah, relative to. Can we do this? No. That's annoying. Changing the font. Yeah. You can use okay. And what if I wanted to match the title one? I don't understand that no one is. I'm going to keep it like this, okay? I have a spacer here. I want this VStack to lead. Why it's not again? This is kind of annoying. This is a kind of behavior. So I need to give it a frame size. I don't understand why it's not by default. That's part of the Swift UI. There is probably a reason, and I'm a noob UI view dot main, not UI view. I think it's UI view, right? No, it's UI screen dot main. Yeah. Dot bounds dot width. Okay, it's not changing anything. I don't understand this. It's because of the Z stack. Why? Changing anything? Okay. I'm going to let it like this. Background color dot main color. Sorry, I need to check. I want, not I need. Sorry, I want to check if it's the right color applied. Yes, it is. So that's okay. I still have an issue with the centering of it. But what I'm going to do is, instead of this stack, maybe I should create a Am I creating the scroll view now, or I'm letting this for later? I think I'm going to let everything for later actually, because I'm not ready to do anything on this view. What I'm going to do is to commit this, creating settings, sub view. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so this is done. Now I want to get back to my plan, and my plan was to set the timer with a selection here. So settings view, I want to pin it again. Okay. And settings selection view, it's the one. That's the one. So what I want to achieve is when this one is selected, the second one is fading out a bit, like inactive state or kind of. So to do that, if time, so this is the action of the stuff. Yes, button selection label. Yes, it's this. You know what I'm going to create? I'm thinking to create something here. So the button timer selection is this one. Oh, it's on the same view. Create something here called add state var selected is unselected inactive, and it's a goal equal to false, inactive. So here this one, no, I'm saying shit, sorry, I'm doing stupid I'm saying stupid stuff. This should be like this. Yes, inactive and no, let's do this. I'm going to do it simpler. Opacity. Opacity. Thank you. And this one is 0, and it's, I need to say that it's a CG float. Okay. Inactive state. And it's not 0, the default value, but 1. And the wall frame. Yeah, it's this one. Opacity of opacity. Maybe. Ah, it's a double, sorry, I thought it was a CG float. It's working. Perfect. So now here, when I need an add state. Var timer opacity, timer button opacity. It's a double and it's equal 1. So now my button, I think I need to clean up this view because it's becoming too large, like really too large. So my first button is here. So when the first button is yeah, this is a timer view. What am I doing? Focus, Jeremy, focus. Button action. Blah, 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 blah. Opacity is this one. Yeah, but I cannot have a... Sorry. I cannot have two twice the same, right? I need to create two steps. I don't like this. Can I do it in another way? Ah, yes. So timer button opacity will be a bool. And now it's true. False. My first idea was the good one. Wait, give me a sec. And it's not opacity. I'm going to say is inactive. Okay, and this up. And if is inactive, opacity is equal 0.5 for now. Else, I'm not sure we can do this with opacity 1. No, I'm not saying anything if there is anything. No, it doesn't, because the default one is opacity 1. Cannot infer in contextual base to member opacity. Yes, that's what I mean. So what I'm going to do is private var opacity button if is inactive, return. This one will be a double, sorry, I need it anyway. 0.5, else return 1. And this, it means that this one will have an opacity of opacity button. So if we have an inactive state, the opacity will be 0.5, otherwise it's 1, right? And here, how can I pass it? Not in the state, because I have also already it means that if I'm toggling this and is inactive will be no, is inactive means the second one is if time picker 2 is equal to time picker for the first one, and the second one will be time picker 1. All right. Let's run this. I hope I didn't do shit. No. So my state is working. I don't really like the effect on it. But because of the button, still the same issue than before. The fucking button are blinking. Let's adjust this because I think we should do even more. Thinking to add a border. Border, I never, every time I have like a lot of stuff, every time I have to look for it. Exactly. Except that I want to have it only when it's this one. So if private var border if is inactive, return 0, else turn 1, and my frame is there. And I want 1. No. Turn border button. Is it a CG float? Yes, it is. Yeah, but I will have it all the time. Okay, so this cannot be like this. I'm going to remove it anyway, it's ugly. Hop. It doesn't look as good as I was expected. Yeah, that's it. It's doing it. Sorry, I'm lost. Sorry, I am lost. So we have done this. And then I have my timer is running. So I think before to start this, I'm going to clean up a bit this code because it's too messy. So, sorry for the readability, but I need a bit more space, otherwise I'm not seeing anything. So I have my start here with running stuff. Okay. I'm trying to find a way to have one view specific for this, but I have no clue how to pass this state for the circle button. Because it's based on... I know I can create a computed value here and pass it there. Well, let's give it a try. I don't want this view anymore, but the current view, is it the right one? No. No. It's this one. Yes. Okay. Alors, settings, I'm going to close everything for better readability. And I want to create... Am I creating a specific folders for the main subviews? No. And I have my timer view with this, and I want to create timer view button. Timer button view. I don't have anything like this already? No. Swift UI view. Timer button view. Here we go. And I'm going to copy this stack. I'm going to create this stack and check what we have here. So what do we need to get selected? This one. That's annoying because I need to bind this. Tricky part. Oh, I don't remember how to do this. It's so simple stuff, Jeremy. Fuck. I hurt myself and I need to go back to some basic stuff like this. I don't want an observed object for this, right? Observed mean Yeah, I guess I will have to do it anyway because the. Not just think, Jeremy. We have to. Oh, I'm stupid. Stupid. Because what I need is this VStack, not the other one. So if I'm using this now, I'm just missing first timer, and first timer I don't even need anything. The only fuck. Ah no, sorry, I'm saying shit. Var timer time is a string, and this is the time, sorry, not the string. Alors, foreground color selected button, so here I need var is selected. Will be a bool. In this one I cannot have a default. Foreground selecting button. Alors, for now the foreground is based. Okay, is selected. Okay. And here I have a private var foreground. Ah non mais Jérémy is selected. I think this one. I'm using main color, otherwise I'm using secondary color. And what's wrong here? I know it's an int. Okay. Missing argument. Wait, I don't need preview for this. So if now I'm using this inside this one. Give me some space. So I want this timer button is selected. Alors, the tricky part will be the is selected. I want it with first timer, but the selection. I need to create something here because the selected button is changing. Yeah, exactly. State. Ouais, var. I'm coming. I'm just thinking if I cannot do it in another way. No. First timer. Selected. Second. And the first one is always true. So is selected is equal to first timer for this one. Yes. And this can be removed. And on tapping this one, I need to give a bit of space because it's first timer selected dot toggle and second timer selected dot toggle. And I'm going to do exactly the same. Opacity, I need to find something here. Because this is no longer there. Selected button. How can I simplify this? Is it compiling? Yes. Alors. Oh, I can do it same way for now. First, timer selected is equal to true. Otherwise, it's equal to 0. I'm not sure about this yet. I'm not sure about this yet. So, this I'm going to do the same here. So it will be the second timer, and here the second timer. Okay, and foreground color, no, opacity. Opacity will be second timer selected is equal to true. Let's run this to check if it's working. Alors, the time looks okay. It's not changing anything. Ah, yeah, of course. So I have to change second timer selected to toggle. I don't know why it's not working, this fucking... And first timer selected dot toggle. Okay, so this is working. Does this is solving my refresh? No. No. Bon. Now we have this simplified. I'm asking myself if I shouldn't do this also here. The colors are back. Almost. Yeah, I think it will be simpler also this one, right? Button action. This is okay. Now, also the timer, I really need to remove the wall view there. This should be a wall. Let's organize. Yes, and so running timer, right? Timer running. Keep the same naming convention. Timer running view. Here we go. So the button can get out. And our running view, where are you? This one. So let's just copy paste what we have for now. And we have this. Alors, the tricky part. Alors, geometry reader. It's going to be easy to replace. Screen.main. Dot bounds dot width. Done. After we have a couple of, let me put this where it's required. So here and here. Okay. Now we have this timer selection here that should be coming from. Sorry for the amazing noise I just did. So time remaining is this one. Yes. So this can be time remaining. And this is an int, right? But it is. Well. And this is becoming this time string. Just going to copy paste the stuff and see if I can make it works. I know I'm doing this time string based on this time remaining coming from it here, but this shouldn't be there, like definitely not. What the fuck are you doing, Jeremy? Okay, and on receiving timer coming from timer is coming from what we have selected, right? Yes. Ah, no, it's this one. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, time remaining cannot be changed, of course. So should I use my model? I guess it's at time, right? Wow, it's not working. I cannot do this in this way. It's over complicating stuff for no reasons. That means that this view, I did it for no reason. Discard change. Is it going to remove Valo? Okay, get away. Just move to trash. So that means I need a way to simplify everything here. Well, first I can create, I should have kept it actually. I'm going to create a new file. No, I'm going to put this in here. Struct timer label view. It's a view with running time. Yeah. And this running time is a string. And then we have our body. It's going to be really simple because we just are going to have this with the whole fucking stuff here. Oh, I'm going to just copy paste this. Sorry. For the style, this cannot be here. Oh, it's not possible, Jeremy, because maybe. Let's see. Cannot find geometry scope. Okay, no problem, dude. No problem. Dot men. Dot bounds. Dot width. Alors, why do I have multiple times the same stuff? Okay. So what if instead of this I'm having time able view with time off of this actually. Yeah, the whole stuff. No. Nope. Just this one. And this. Going to give it this one. And this is going to be hidden. Let's run. Start. Running. Okay, so it means that we can get rid of this code. That's a bit more readable. What else do we have here? We have the button to stop it. Oh, I'm going to let it because it's not right. Oh, we have less code. Even for this, it's better. I would really like this to be simplified, but we'll see this later. Okay. I'm happy. Do this. Yes. Oh, button view. What did I do here? I know that's a new one. What else? Code view. Can we simplify a bit everything? No, it's already clean. Header view, I guess it's really simple. I don't remember why I have this. Do we have this on the view, header view? What's happening if I'm removing the header view? Okay, nothing. I don't remember what was the plan. Ah, it was for the settings. Maybe. Oh, I'm going to remove it and even delete the file because it's empty view anyway. I'm gonna move to trash. Oh. Okay. And we have our sky view that we are going to take care of right away. Because I want this to be get animated. Okay, you know what? I'm going to cut cleaning and refactor. So we have our proper. I thought I had created the cleaning stuff here, but probably dreamed I was doing it. Yeah. Okay. So unpin this Now I want to work on the sky view. Ah. Why am I not seeing anything? Ah, yeah. Going to create a group. No. First I'm duplicating this, so my group is done. And I'm going to add a color. Color from the content view or the background view? The background view, actually. I know I'm going to add the background view. Background view. Okay. But I lost everything else. Hello. Okay. Perfect. Alors, to do it like in condition. In condition, we have a Z stack and the timer is picking up. Okay. Timer is running. Do I have an issue with my connection again? Oh no. What's happening? Anyway. Hop là. What I'm going to do, so we have a V stack here. I'm going to have a spacer with a frame, height, UI screen dot main dot bounds dot height. Is it working? I know, because it's, of course it's not working. Here we go. So the tricky part is to find out if this is fitting. My content view. My timer is started. Ah, yes. Okay, where is it? Here. So if I'm checking the content view now, I should. Yes. So is it the same? Yes, it is. Amazing. Let's go back to this. I can close you. This is not staying here. I just really need the sky view. Okay. So this is working. I need to duplicate. Okay. So this is done. I don't need the console for now. Okay, so I'm going to start with a really simple one, and the simple one is to have a glowing effect by just changing the radius of the shadow and maybe the opacity of the stars. Yeah. Alors, first I need to find out how to animate animation. Animation. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay. This won't. Where is the sun? I'm not sure this can work because I'm not seeing anything. It's working. Okay, so the scale won't be this one, but 1.2. And scale effect, I need to find a way. To define where. Exactly. Wow. Guys. I don't understand the guys who are writing this kind of stuff. It's unreadable. Encore. Here we go. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Encore. It's not centered for me, this, huh? What else do we have? 0. Okay. So we have our animation. So I'm going to call it sun animation. And it will be far more than this, 5 seconds. Minus 120 is probably too much now. Alors, I'm going to replace sun and animated. This one and this one. It's still working. Yes, it is. Sun animation scale. Because I'm just thinking. Still working. Yes, it is. I want to create another one. Sun scale. Max scale, I don't give. This one, and that's it. Let's resume it again, always checking if everything is still working. I want to animate the offset and the Y also. Alors, we will have a lot of code for animation, so I guess sun animation. Okay, here I'm going to have cloud 1 animation. And cloud 2. So sun animation is there. I want to sun scaling. Here we want to have sun moving. Okay, private, let's sun horizontal is equal to wait a bit, because maybe I don't need this one. Horizontal moving will be a CG float, and we will be go to 100 to minus 100 to well, let's say 100. No, maybe it's too much. 50 to check this. Alors, Jeremy, if we are doing this, well, it's this one, and I'm changing from this, no, from sun horizontal moving to this value, right? But I need this first. Let's resume. Yeah, I cannot have the same animation because it means that it's always big when it's going there, and even the timing is wrong. So my first assumption was the right one. Private let sun animation horizontal is, I'm going to pick up exactly this. And this will be 10 auto reverse true, and I want this animation. But I cannot. Fuck. Do I have? Can I have the duration as a variable related to? I cannot. Oh, why do I have a self here? Yes. Can I have sun horizontal moving? No. Yeah, I know, but it's the same animation. It doesn't work, dude. Yeah. Ah, no! Ah! Um... let me think about it. Because actually I don't need to toggle this on. I don't even need this, really. Because my son is animated. Yes, with that animation. What I'm doing here, really. Duration auto reverse. True. Repeat forever. Five. Would work, right? No, because nothing is triggering it. Yeah, I need to change the state of it actually. Fair enough. False. On appear. Perform. What time perform? Sun animated. Is it working? Yes, I don't need anything else. Okay. So my scale effect will have this animation, and I want this one of another one. Animation. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So this is working, except that I need this also. Alors, 10 is probably too much. And I want this to come from sun moving, sun horizontal duration, sun moving, yeah, this one. So I'm going to try something dot bounds sorry. Bounds dot width. And you are going to come from this here we go. So the sun should go out. A bit too much, it looks. It's coming back from the same place. Okay. This is the size of it. Private let sun vertical moving. will also be a CG float, and this one will be easier because right now it's 100. And I want to go to, no, let's try 0 to see. Alors, this is okay. And it's vertical. Let's see. Now, yes, there is something that I don't like. This one, it's not feeling natural, and it's not because of this. And I forgot what is the line here. Yes. The sun is not going faster. Yes, exactly. So our sun is moving. I'm going to keep it like this. I think the scaling should be different, right? Alors, the scaling effect is going from scale effect that is 1.2, so it's growing. Where we can do this like this. So I'm going to update it, grow it a bit more. Okay. Now our cloud. So the cloud are just moving. No scale effect, nothing else. I'm going to have just animated actually. Okay. 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 And okay. Right. Animation. State. Private let cloud 1 horizontal. No, horizontal. Cloud 1 is not moving, will not move, won't move. Wait, I'm going to do this like this. I don't need this anymore. And I don't need this anymore. So it will be a CG float also from no, it's a type of CG float, not equal CG float. Where am I starting this cloud? Now the cloud has 85 size, so I'm going to start from no. I'm going to start to UI screen the same value actually. So what if I'm doing this var UI sorry, screen size is a CG float, and its return UI screen dot main dot bounds dot width, and I want this to go to the screen size. Cannot instance member. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course, it cannot work. So this is going to go from one to another one. So my offset here. So this one will be cloud 1. And this one will be cloud 2. Right. Yes. So my offset is animated going to cloud 1. Is that right? And the animation of it will be linear, and this one I want it to be really long, and it's repeat forever. Give it a try. Okay, so 10 seconds is really not enough. I think it's the same for the sun actually. This is the scale effect. No, that's not the scale effect. I want to change this one. And this one will stay. I'm not sure the scale effect is adding any value. You know what? I'm going to remove it. Yes, that's better. The cloud should go faster than the sun, huh? Good, I like what I'm seeing. I like it. Moving scale, go away. Private let cloud 2 is also a CG float, and this one will go to -80 because I want it to start. Where is the second cloud? This one. Offset is this one. So dude, you are going to go from cloud 2 to no, you're going to UI screen dot bound. Oh, sorry. Dot main dot bound dot width. Yeah, but this one, to be honest, I can use the header. I can use this one. I should be able to use this, right? Exactly. Let's go. Okay. Ah, oui. I know it should work, right? Yeah, but I didn't give it an animation. Stupid. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck? Avoid them to cross to each other, but it's not working. Why this one? Why this one actually? So this one is going from -20 to cloud 1 in 20 seconds, right? Yeah, because it's going until the end. So it should start here. Okay, something is not working. Whoa, 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 dude, that's not possible. Cloud 2 minus... It's good enough. Let's run this to see how it's looking live. Not bad. Yeah, I like it this way. So moving maybe a bit the moon, same behavior than the sun actually. Yes, I'm going to do the same than the sun. The sun is using this one. Now this shouldn't be there, otherwise my yeah, I'm going to the end of it. Alright, otherwise the dark mode won't animate. And I'm going to do the same. What's the offset of the sun? Oh, this is not the sun but the moon. And it's exactly the same. Ouais. Ouais. So for the moon, I'm going to do the same. exactly the same. And I want it to... Let's check first if it's working. Yes. Amazing. Alors, sun moving up, cloud 1, okay. Maybe I should... Light mode. Ah, come on. Moon. Grow. Glow, not grow. Private. Let moon glow. Glowing. Okay, glow. CG float will be right now we have a grow of 18. Well, but it's not difficult. Alors first it looks like it's a double and not a CG float, and it will be 0 actually. Alors up, offset, no, shadow, fuck. Shadow, yes. Alors this one will be animated. Moon glow to this one, right? Ah, we cannot. Have mismatched types double on CG float. Replace with CG float. So okay. No problem, dude. Alors, let's resume this and see if it's doing what we want. Yes. Is it animating or not? Okay, I need to give it this 2. And this one I want it to be faster, like this, maybe. Okay, that looks good enough. And for the stars, I'm just going to change the opacity of them, but randomly. Moon glow. Let stars open. Oh, stars. And for them, it's a double. This one. Sure about it. All stars, because the stars I'm just going to change the animation because the opacity will be the same all the time. Up, opacity, animated, stars 1. I put 0, right? Yes. No. Here we go. So this one, and I'm going to change it with this. Five. Two. Then 5. Here we go again. Let's see what's happening there. Oh, it's too fast for the other one. Duration 2, it's like it's not working. 8. Well, but it looks. Well, I'm going to do something else actually. That's this one. We'll go from 1 to stars. And I'm going to do it also for this one. 1, 2 stars. So some are going to start on, yes. Not bad. What it look in real life. We go to dark mode. Boom. Not bad. Not bad. I'm going just to wait for the moon to do the full travel. I don't know if I should because it doesn't feel natural that the moon is coming back from where it from. When she from, where she from. Oh fucking god. I guess it will feel more as a planet if it's doing a full circle, you know. Well, it's auto reverse that I should remove, I guess. Auto reverse false. Let's see. I'm not hearing any sound anymore now. Music looks it stopped by itself. What's happening? Alors, the moon is going further. Okay. Okay. Restart the animation. Yeah, but it means that I cannot do this. Well, I'm going to stop it for now. And put true. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. That's something else that I will have to solve, I guess. Dark mode animation. That I will have to solve later on. This app is starting to look at something. I was thinking about it this morning and I thought that maybe I will experiment some app clip version of it. I was thinking, you know, to put some QR code out there with, I don't know, take 5 minutes break, breathe, and tap your phone here. You know, this kind of stuff. I don't know. I thought about this morning. I will probably try to experiment this in Amsterdam. I think it's a good idea. But we are not yet there, even if we are almost there. So I will continue this app next week now. This is the weekend. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please subscribe. Follow the channel, subscribe on YouTube, whatever, wherever you're watching this video later.